Hello everybody, in today's video I'll show you how to export videos without watermark in InShot. If you have edited a video in InShot, you have probably noticed a watermark that appears when exporting in the free version. While it can be distracting, there's a simple way to remove it officially. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your videos without watermark in InShot step by step. So over here, once you reach into this interface, currently InShot no longer offers a free remove watermark option. The official way to remove is by upgrading to InShot Pro. So over here, once you get into this interface, in the top right, we can see there's this icon to subscribe premium. Tap on that. So over here you'll find all of this payment for the monthly or the yearly, and after that you can simply select to this continue on the bottom and complete the purchase using your app store, Google Play or the App Store. And once upgraded, the watermark is automatically removed from all of the future exports. You'll also unlock premium effects, transitions, stickers, and enjoy an ad-free editing experience. And that is it. That is how you can export videos without watermark in InShot. Upgrading to Pro is the most reliable way to get professional clean videos. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.